Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mona and you're watching my YouTube channel Mona's Beauty Reviews. So today I am doing a mini haul of the products that I bought from the recent Nykaa Pink Friday sale. Now this is the miniest haul from Nykaa that I've ever done. I am very happy with myself that I actually bought the things that I only wanted. I didn't overdo. Always I overspend and I overdo whenever there's a sale going on Nykaa, and I bought things that I do not actually need. So this time I have been very mindful while shopping, and I only bought products that I actually really wanted to buy. So let's get started. I have just 3 boxes this time, only 3 boxes guys. I shopped so less this time. This is a new look that you guys are seeing today. This is the first time I'm wearing glass on camera. I actually wear glasses when I'm reading and I'm wearing television because I've got power in my eyes. So let me know how am I looking with the glasses on. So first product that I bought this time from the haul is body mist from Nykaa Naturals. So I have 2 products from Nykaa Natural this time, and this is number 1 is this one. This is the Wanderlust Mediterranean Sea Salt Body Mist, and this is the Wanderlust Strawberry Daiquiri. So I love Nykaa Naturals body mist. I already have 2 variants of them, and I am obsessed with the lavender variant. These ones are new, I haven't tried it, but yes, I have tried body butters from the same range, I mean same variant. And in Nykaa Naturals mein kya hota hai na, all of their products, like if you buy the body butter, their shower gel and their body scrub and their body mist from the same वेरिएंट स्मेल्स एग्जैक्टली द सेम. तो अगर आपने जैसे कि ये वाला रेंज कौन सा मेडिटेरियन सी सॉल्ट का आपने पहले बॉडी वाटर या शावर जेल यूज किया होगा, देन यू मस्ट बी नोइंग हाउ इट स्मेल्स. सो दे स्मेल एग्जैक्टली द सेम. So these body mists are really long lasting. I am very impressed with this product from Nykaa because I've tried body mist from so many brands and so many expensive brands also, but those doesn't last. These perfumes last really long, so I actually picked up 2 this times, and these were I think flat 35 or 40% off. I will mention the discounted price, everything in the description below. You can go and check it out. So these are the first products, and because I bought these 2 products, I got a shower gel free from Nykaa. This is also Nykaa Naturals Wanderlust. This is in the variant Ethiopian Coffee. This was a free product, and I think this is a wonderful deal I got because Nykaa Naturals के हर एक products बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. I've used plenty of their shower gels, but this is a new variant. I would love to try this. So moving on, I am obsessed with perfumes. I am buying so many perfumes and body mists. So yes, next product is also a fragrance. This is from Bath and Body Works. This is the Bath and Body Works Gingham Love body mist. I love the packaging of the Gingham range. I mean, they are having multiple variants in the Gingham thing. They have the original one, fresh, and I think one in lavender. But I heard that this one is really good and smells very feminine and beautiful. So I got it, and soon I'll be reviewing this. If you're wondering how it smells, please subscribe to my channel and tune in. I'll be definitely doing the review videos soon. So this is the 4th product that I got. Yeah, this was at a great deal. I think I got 70% off. I paid $7.99 for this product. I clearly remember. And all the Bath and Body Works mists were in great discounts. So I don't know if you guys have shopped or not, but that was the right time to buy Bath and Body Works products from Nykaa. So अगला जो product है, that is also one perfume. As I said, I'm obsessed with perfumes this time, and I'm trying so many perfumes. I'm also reviewing them on my channel. So the next product is a perfume from Ajmal. Ajmal makes very good perfumes, and this is from Ajmal. This is called as Edita, and I have actually tried this. I'll review this soon on my channel. So this was also at flat 50% off. I got it for 499 rupees. MRP is 1000. And yeah, I'll show you the bottle because this package is already opened. So this is what it looks like. It has got floral fragrance and feminine fragrance, And there's a similar fragrance in this range. It is called as which one is that? So it's called as Ajmal Nia, and it's a pink color bottle. This is a yellow, that is a pink color bottle. I've reviewed this on my channel. I'll put the link somewhere over here. You can go and check it out. It's a beautiful fragrance, and that's why I bought this, because I wanted to try a lot of perfumes from Ajmal. So moving on to makeup, I did not buy any base products or kajal or anything. I have plenty of products actually to finish, but I bought some lipsticks from the high-end brands because there were some amazing offers going on. So let's start with this box first. So the first product that I got is from Huda Beauty. This is the Huda Beauty liquid matte in the new formula, and the shade name is Slatina. This is orange, very bright orange, which has got undertones of red. I have used this product. This is the new formula, very comfortable, unlike their previous formula, which was a bit drying. And I love Huda Beauty liquid lipsticks in general. I have so many of them, and this was on 50% off, and the moment I saw it, I grabbed it. There was another shade which I actually wanted to buy. It's a baby pink called as Baby Doll, but it was always out of stock and I couldn't buy it, but that was also in great offer. So yeah, this was on 50% off. The next lipstick is also from Huda Beauty. This is their Bullet lipstick, and this is in the shade Rendezvous. This is a coral shade. I haven't tried it yet, but I've seen it, and it's a coral peachy kind of a shade. This was also at flat 50% off. Huda Beauty was giving very, very good offers on their lipsticks this time. So these two lipsticks I got from Huda Beauty. Now moving on to MAC, I got two products from MAC. MAC is my favorite brand. This is the first brand in the luxury, section. I mean, MAC lipstick is the one that I bought first when it comes to luxury. And I love MAC lipsticks. I love collecting MAC lipsticks. I have more than 40 MAC lipsticks. If you're interested, I can do swatches of all the 40 MAC lipsticks that I own. And yeah, so this time I got two MAC lipsticks. One is a repetitive purchase. I actually had this lipstick before also. This is MAC Viva Glam 1. This is what it looks like. It is a brownish maroon, I would say maroon shade. This is actually the color of the bullet. So this is MAC Viva Glam. And the next shade that I got is something that I was looking for a long time. It was always out of stock. This is the shade Cream in Your Coffee. So these two shades I got from MAC. And last but not the least, I got a palette from Huda Beauty, because I love Huda Beauty eyeshadow palettes. These are beautiful. This is their mini palette, Love Fest. And Love Fest Obsession. Yeah, so this is what the palette looks like. Let me open it. It's beautiful. I actually have used one shade. When it came, I actually opened it and used it. So this is what the palette looks like. It's beautiful. It was on flat 50% off. Yep, Viva Glam was 25% off, and the other one was 15% off. That's it with the haul. These are all the items that I actually bought from Nykaa this time. I know that it's a very mini haul. I think the miniest haul that you've ever seen on YouTube, but I'm very happy with my purchase. I know I bought very little products this time, but whatever I bought, I'm very happy with it. So I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. I actually love to watch what other people buy. I love to watch haul videos. That is why I keep doing haul videos. Let me know which product you like the most, and if you have tried any of these products before, let me know, and see you soon in another video. Bye.